Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the zoom in and flash effect tutorial on CapCut. So here I've already add a clips, and you can just go to overlay and then go to stock videos and choose the white image. And here rotate the white image like this and fit the size until the whole clip is covered with the white overlay, and then go to splice and choose overlay and set it into 60 like this. Click on a check icon and crop the overlay until it fits to the clips, and then click on the overlay, go to animations and choose out, and here choose fade out. Okay, and adjust it. So go to set the duration all the way to the right, click on a check icon, and then click on the main clips, add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end, and at the second keyframe zoom the clip a little bit like this. Okay, so here is the final result for the zoom in and flash effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.